How to log out of Among Us account on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of Among Us on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Step, open up your Among Us. Now first, let me show you guys something. So open it up, let it load. And after it loads, you'll need to just head over to my accounts. Let me turn off its music for now. Okay, so after you're on your Among Us, if you head over to my account and if you head over to account, you'll notice that there is no option to actually sign out. If you tap on manage account, it will just tell you to visit its website. So the other option is head over to settings and head over to data. And there again, there is no option to log out, but there is an option to delete account. So that's not what we want. So if you want to log out of Among Us on your iPhone, what you actually need to do is you'll need to delete the app itself. So long press on the app, and there you will see remove app option. Tap on remove app and delete the app. After you delete the app, you can reinstall it, and after you reinstall the app, you will get the option to log in back again. So you can just download the app, open up your app store, search for Among Us, and then download it back. And then you can sign in using your other account if you want to, or you can just play using the guest account. And that's how you log out of Among Us on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.